So, do you know about, have you had a minerals metals main test? That would probably be where I would start. I would look at my podcast, Equine Energy Med. There is one, I think the title says about allergies. Let me go see if I can find the episode number for you. Episode 84. And I talk about how zinc is often the missing link for these kind of issues. And we'd be able to see that on a minerals metals main test, whether she was functionally deficient in zinc, and then we can work to correct that within the diet. So that would be probably where I'd recommend starting, especially if you've kind of run the gamut with, all the things and that the vet wants to do for it. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.